What happens to your body? If you do burpees every day, burpees are often referred to as the king of bodyweight exercises. And for good reason. This powerful, high-intensity movement combines several fundamental exercises into one fluid sequence that activates your entire body. In this video, we'll break down exactly what happens to your body when you do burpees every single day. Stay tuned till the end. It's going to be interesting and possibly life-changing. Let's get started. 1. What muscles do? Burpees work. Burpees are multi-joint compound exercises, meaning they activate several muscle groups at once. Quadriceps and glutes during the squat, and jump chest and triceps during the push-up shoulders and upper back during the jump and push-up core muscles, including the abs, obliques, and lower back throughout the movement. This global muscle engagement makes burpees incredibly efficient. In just a few minutes, you're hitting almost every major muscle in the body. 2. Cardiovascular and endurance benefits. Because of its dynamic nature, the burpee significantly improves your cardiovascular endurance. The repeated changes in body position elevate your heart rate quickly, increasing oxygen supply to muscles and improving overall cardiovascular fitness. Your lungs, heart, and blood vessels all benefit from this enhanced circulation. Additionally, burpees develop muscle endurance. Your body learns to perform longer and more demanding movements without tiring as quickly. Over time, you'll notice you can go longer in workouts and recover faster. 3. Fat burning and metabolism. Boost burpees are incredibly effective for fat loss. A high-intensity set of just 20 repetitions can burn up to 15 kilocalories. This might not sound like much at first, but when done in circuits or included in HIIT routines, the calorie-burning effect multiplies, both during and after the workout. That's because burpees boost your metabolism. Your body continues to burn calories even after you've finished exercising. This is known as the afterburn effect, or EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. So if weight loss or fat reduction is your goal, burpees are a top-tier choice. Core strength and stability. One of the lesser talked about benefits of burpees is how well they develop your core stability. The movement heavily activates the transverse abdominis, obliques, and lower back, especially during the plank and push-up phases. Your core is your body's center of control. A strong core not only improves your performance in other exercises, but also helps with posture, balance, and injury prevention in everyday activities. 5. Increased strength. Without equipment. Burpees are one of the most equipment-free strength builders available. They can be done anywhere, at home, in a park, or even in a small room. You don't need dumbbells, machines, or resistance bands. Your body weight is enough to stimulate muscle growth and strength development when burpees are done consistently. That's why burpees are a staple in CrossFit, HIIT, and military training programs. In fact, CrossFitters often refer to burpees as the little death because of their intensity and total body impact. Precautions and when to avoid burpees. Despite all their benefits, burpees are intense and may not be suitable for everyone. Avoid or modify burpees if you have knee or hip injuries, chronic heart conditions, severe overweight pregnancy or postpartum recovery. Always warm up thoroughly before doing burpees. If you experience dizziness, nausea, or chest pain, stop immediately and consult a medical professional. Burpees are much more than a cardio challenge. They're a full-body strength and conditioning tool. When done consistently, even for just a few minutes a day, they can burn fat fast, strengthen all major muscle groups, improve cardiovascular health, enhance endurance, agility, and coordination, build mental toughness. The best part? You don't need a gym. You don't even need a mat. Just a small space and the will to push through. If you enjoyed this breakdown of burpees and found it helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fitness, health, and workout tips. Drop a comment below. How many burpees can you do in one go? Let's challenge each other. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.